Good morning, one and all. Here you're going to learn about commands. What is basically a command? It can be an instruction given to a computer by the user. If you want to understand the command terminology in different platforms, then in macOS or Linux, it is being termed as terminal, whereas in Windows, it is being called as command prompt. Always the commands are case sensitive. It must be written in small or lowercase only. So commands further passes to the shells, which reads the command and executes it. So shell is a method for the user to interact with the system. Default shell in Linux is called as the bash shell. There are basically two types of shell commands. One is built-in shell commands, which is nothing but part of the shell, and which is having certain built-in commands, whereas another type of commands are nothing but external commands. These external commands is a separate executable program written either in C or in other programming languages. Here is a list of directory commands that are used in Unix or Linux. The first one is PWD, that stands for print working directory, and it is denoted by slash and dot, / and dot. Here it is going to display the current working directory location to the user. It's going to display the whole working path starting with / and dot, which is one of the built-in commands in Linux. Coming to the next command, that is ls. This command is going to list out all of the contents of the folder. It's going to display the whole list of the folder, and it will list out all of the files in the directed folder. Now the next one is cd. cd is meant for change directory. You will be able to change the directory from the present directory. If you want to move yourself to another directory, so in that case you will be able to use cd. mkdir is for making a directory, make directory. This command will help you to create your own directory. And the last but not the least, that is rmdir. This is used for removing a directory from the system. So these are the basic commands of the directory commands of Unix, and the few of them are also the commands of your command prompt that is used in Windows. Hope the explanation is clear here. Thank you so much. Keep learning.